If you're a clinic owner and you're getting leads that don't even remember opting in, they book and then they no-show, or even disappear after asking how much, this video is for you, because the problem isn't even your ads, and it's definitely not even that you need to post more. This video is for owner-operators running aesthetic clinics, med spas, plastic surgery, dermatology, dental aesthetics, hair restoration, and also if you're not the decision maker, this won't be relevant to you. And also if you're looking for someone to manage your marketing forever, this also isn't for you, because what I do is different. Hey, my name is Jourdan Eloriaga. I've been a chief marketing officer and growth operator specifically for clinics, doing multiple 7 figures a year. I've overseen marketing and sales across single locations and 200 plus location franchises, and I've watched the same problem repeat itself over and over again. Clinics do not have a lead problem. They have a trust problem after the lookup. Here's what really happens. Someone sees your ad or a reel or a post. They don't book immediately. They do what humans do. They look you up. They look you up on Google Maps. They check out your reviews, your website, and they see what AI has to say about you. And somewhere in that process, trust either forms or it doesn't. Most marketing agencies are focused on getting attention. More clicks, more leads, more volume, but attention doesn't create bookings. And here's the real issue. Most agencies never touch that validation layer. They don't control what happens after the lookup, they don't fix the trust gaps, and they definitely don't make you the obvious choice. So clinics keep on buying more leads, those leads don't remember opting in, and they definitely don't show up. Here's the model that we use. Social creates awareness, search and AI validate, and once trust is earned, they book through the doorway that they prefer. DM on social, they call your clinic directly, they look you up on maps, they go to your website. One system, multiple entrances, one destination. Your clinic. That's why we built the local authority engine. It's a 90-day done-for-you authority install that turns your expertise into searchable and referenceable trust. So when people do look you up, everything on the internet confirms, yes, this is the right clinic for me. Here's the part that matters. We don't outsource authority. We come into your clinic and film on site, because trust isn't created on Canva. It's captured where care actually happens, from the people actually doing the work. Real providers, real explanations, in the real environment. That's what AI trusts, and that's what people trust. From that on-site capture, we install long-form authority videos, AI and search validation pages, the proof that patients actually look for before and after they book. And we connect that all into one system, not random content, not ongoing management. And we've helped hundreds of clinics move from inconsistent leads to real conversations, higher quality patients, better show rates, cleaner decision-making before patients even walk through your doors. Not because of hacks, because trust is already there. Now this is important. We don't manage your marketing forever. We install the engine. You own it. There's no retainers here. And because this is about authority, not tactics, we back it up here. If AI can't confidently recognize and reference your clinic after we install the system, we work for free until we do. So you're not paying for effort. You're paying for installed authority. Now, if this resonates with you, here is the next step. I'm not gonna ask you to book a call. I'm not even asking for a big commitment here. All I'll do is record a 1 to 2 minute short video custom to your clinic. And in your custom video, I'll show you the 3 main authority gaps that are happening in your clinic that are causing high intent patients to leak after they look you up. No pitch, just diagnosis. To get that, just DM me paid to be you on Instagram. That's it. If it makes sense, we'll talk. And if it doesn't, you'll still walk away with clarity. We only install this for a limited number of clinics per area. 1 clinic type per 10-mile radius. Otherwise, we'd be competing with ourselves. So if you want to become the obvious local choice without more chaos, DM me paid to be you.